dig some holes with the fucking mini hoe. Let's do it.
Yeah, so here we're gonna obviously the hole I'm digging is way out of the camera angle, so you're not gonna fucking see the hole. You're just gonna see the boom going up and down for the next 4 minutes. So I don't know, maybe fast forward to like the 5-minute mark here. Yeah, overall, you know, it's a half decent hole for, you know, we're paying, like I only paid $500 for the hole, and that's like, so originally it's 3,500 American, but then I added the boom swing, which was 600 US. So this is all in US, so I'm saying, talking about money, I'm talking about US, you know, but yeah, the boom swing was 600, tilt bucket was 300, dragable chassis, we're looking at 600 as well. You're gonna pay about, for the bucket I got on right now is 80 US dollars. So it's basically standard. Clean up bucket, 100. Every other bucket, you know, smaller bits, $60 for the one foot digging bucket, and I got a 6-inch trenching bucket for $50. And this is the nicosail, so it's I don't know if I recommend nicosail. They did send me, like, so they sent me the tilt bucket, but they didn't have any hydraulic lines for it, so yeah, for sure I could set an app and got it up, but so what's the point, you know, like all the back today, you know, figure out my lines for my tilt bucket. They said, oh yeah, they'll be there in about 30 days, and 60 days goes by, and I finally get the line. And, you know, I hadn't used the thing for 3 months, so when I went to go use it, and I would check out that quick hitch, so you pay like $60 for the quick hitch, 60 American, and you know, you're like, what the fuck? It's so each bucket should have pins on it for that quick hitch. You're just supposed to, you know, loosen it off with a ratchet, loosen it off, and then it'll drop the bucket, and then it'll tighten back on if you got a grab on the bucket. So it's pretty much useless for everything now. You know, like I just use a bare stick. You can pin on the buckets. You know, like and they never got back to me about fucking pins. So I guess it's out of budget. You know, like once they send you those hydraulic lines, it's kind of out of budget for them to send the pins. I'd figure, like, that's just, I don't know, maybe they'll get on to me. Maybe they'll see this video, but that's from nicosail. So you know, everything else is good. I had to tune the car myself, but what's that take? Just return to that little screw. But yeah, sorry about the digging. Didn't really see anything. So this unit, we actually got it all in there. We got the fucking swing boom, our tractable chassis. See the rounds in there, and we also got a tilt bucket with it. That thing's wicked. Love that. Got the fucking skid steer moving tires over here for the Duramax. And yeah, I'll show you guys the tilt and the, oh no, I'm not going to show you the tilt. I'll show you the tractable chassis. I was thinking about it. I should have put this on like the panoramic. You know, So we're gonna pick up that bucket for the brakes, roughly 80-90 pounds. So we're gonna check the driver chassis out. There's just that lever up for it, open for it, opens up the cylinders with strap. And you just see that blade of the tracks there. You don't have to jack it up, you can literally just tracks plug down. I figured I'd do that, so I went. No, we're still free, obviously. And yeah, we're just testing how far you can carry that bucket. So now you got the bucket we got on now is 25 pounds, roughly 30 pounds. And well, that bucket will be 90 pounds for that bucket. So just about looks like, and this is full, like fully extended, right? I guess you can't see, but that's fully extended. So that's a good point. Well, you can go diagonal across the tracks, have the whole way open, going against the tracks. You have just about all the way up to the top. You get that all the way up. Okay, so there you go. We only have one class, so we'll other than that, yeah, that's full all the way out, way down, so you can go all the way out, parallel with the rocks, and yeah. Dock's pretty wicked, right? Like, sweet little hole. There's a night switch. Everybody's saying these things are hard to work on, but they're pretty fucking easy. Like, well, that's the worst you gotta do. Tune the carb. That's it. Just what you gotta do when it gets out of that Chinese factory. But I got this one off a nicosail, and they haven't really got back to me on a few things, but like buckets, each bucket was supposed to come with pins, right? They're supposed to be that quick hitch, right? Like there's the quick hitch right here. So that's the quick hitch. As you see, it's only got one set of pins, and I use them for the tilt bucket, but I usually just, you know, go bare stick on the tilt bucket, because like they didn't send me the pins. How useless is this quick connect, right? It's so stupid. They asked me to make a video, so here's the video. But also got the Chinese plate. This thing's wicked. I love that fucking thing. Yeah, I got the topper for the cab, and yeah, that's pretty it. It's got a few meters big in depth on it, but like it is what it is. Pretty half decent hole for only paying $7,500 all in. So yeah, trailer just loaded with shit. Need a fucking skid there. Oh, new tires coming in tomorrow, baby. Peace.